Okay, here we have lot 222. This is a 2016 ABB FlexArc robotic weld cell with the 18-foot on-center Trunnion dual station. This system was decommissioned in North Carolina at Precian's facility there and relocated here. It was never recommissioned on this site. However, it is all neatly packed up. Here are the ABB robots. Fronius power supplies, ABB controls. So here's the complete system, and it is complete and was properly decommissioned and moved out here and will be sold right after 221, which is the system that was currently installed here at the Arvada facility.